What's up YouTube? It's your boy J Will back at it again with another tutorial, and in today's video we're going to be learning how to make those drum patterns move your audience like it ain't never been moved before. But before we get started, for one, if you're new to the channel and you like what you see throughout the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and also smash that like button if that's something that you're into. And also, if you ain't heard yet, I just dropped the melody loop kit, so you can get that down in the description below. But once again, bring in the hook. Alright YouTube, it's your boy. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we got so far, and then I'm going to show you how to lay those awesome patterns for your drums so that your music is always a banger, you feel me? So here's what I got for the melody so far. Alright, so this is what I got for the melody. Now usually when I lay my drums out, I like to start with the 808. So starting with the 808, you always want to cut it, so that way when you cut it, when another note hits, the previous note shuts off. If not, they're just going to run into each other and cause all kind of distortion and doesn't sound pretty at all. So hit cut itself. You want to make sure that it's in tune. I already know the tune note, so what you want to do is you want to right click on the note that it's tuned to already. And then once you go there, right click and left click on piano roll. So knowing that this melody is in C minor, so what I also like to do is I like to just set out my notes and stuff like that. But knowing C minor, all the white notes are basically what we're dealing with right now. So with that being said, I like to lay out my actual 808s first, and then give it that nice little move with the 808s, because the 808s is what's going to drive it. So why not start with it first? So this is what I got, and I'm just do it one by one. Alright, so basically what I do is I like to put down the notes that I know is going to be in the actual 808 pattern, and then I like to add stuff in between to give it that move. So after I get that done with the first pattern, I usually just make alterations to it and everything. So basically I use Control A to select everything, then Control L to elongate all the notes. For some reason it doesn't elongate the last one. It always works out every time. I don't know why, but it just does. But then once I get that, I come back over to the channel rack and actually click on this and actually do my little 808 trick. Video is actually up in the link and also in the description below. So this is like a little trick I like to use. And then I don't know exactly where I have my snare at yet, but I can always go back to it and adjust the notes right here. So also like to add slider notes as well. So when I'm adding slider notes, So I know I could add a snare right there. Probably add a snare right there, and definitely a snare right there. So basically, that's it for the 808s for right now. Next, I like to do is add the kicks, but I actually like to silence the 808 because I don't like. For some reason, I'm on a wave to where my kicks don't follow the 808. My 808 is its own pattern, and then my kick is its own pattern. It's kind of funny, but it actually sounds kind of cool in the mix. So I just do a random pattern, you know, something that sounds good. All right, so once I get that all good said and done right there, what else I like to go to is I like to just turn on the 808s and just see exactly how it sounds as one. So that's what it sounds like. Next, I like to add the snare. And first off, I start with a basic snare pattern. And then I add something different in there, you know? So like a bam, bam, bam. That sounds good sometimes. Then a bam. That's what it sounds like now. So that snare sounds pretty good. And then my next, I like to add the hi-hat. So I start off with just actually doing a basic pattern. So basically everything I do a basic pattern, and then I make alterations to the pattern later within the pattern creation. So basic pattern, and it sounds like this. So it sounds like basic as hell. It sounds basic. So I may do like little switch ups and things like that. Add a triplet right here, Control U, switch back over to the regular step mode. Maybe come right here, bring it in, go to like, hit Control U, put that roll right there. I may even add a second roll like right here. And then I like 3 rolls. I like rolls sometimes, so put another roll right here, and then you can actually put like a whole nother triplet right here, and then Control U to make that triplet sound good itself. And you know, I'm gonna put another one right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and come over here. Oops. Right there, maybe right there, right there. But actually, I'm gonna do that twice right there, and then I'm gonna double it up right there. But I'm gonna bring that one right there, bring that one down there as well, and bring that one right there, and then see what it sounds like now. So that's what it sounds like. It's getting a little bit more interesting. So we got a perk. So what I like to do here is I like to listen to the beat, see where it best fits in. So that way we're not adding a little bit like too much to overwhelm the beat. But this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play it and just see where I can fit it in. You know, I think it's right here. It's right here. All right, so we got that, and then we got the open hat, and I just either go right here or go right there. See what it sounds like. that's what that sounds like. And then I may just come up in here again and do a little bit of changes here and there, just see exactly what it is. And this is just like a basic melody. I didn't go too in detail with the melody because I want the drums to drive the track. So this is what the final product sounds like. And then if you want to learn how to mix, the description is sent below in the description as well. Make sure you click on that. Make sure you learn. Take your time. Don't rush. And commit to doing something different each time you make a beat. And make sure the next beat is always better than the last, you know? So, without further ado, this is it. See you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button. Peace.